Mental health has become a growing concern for teens and young adults. According to the National Alliance on Mental Illness, 50% of all lifetime mental illnesses begin by age 14, 75% by age 24. Youth advocates are stepping up with programs designed to help. ABC's Michelle Franzen shares the stories of two students trying to make a real difference.
The Jed Foundation, a nonprofit organization started 25 years ago by parents who lost their son Jed to suicide, is on a mission to protect the emotional and mental health of our nation's teens and young adults, and they're making progress.
College students who attend schools that participate in our Jed campus program have seen a 25% reduction in suicide attempts.
But Jed CEO John McAfee knows there is still more work to be done, with CDC data showing suicide is the second leading cause of death for teens and young adults. And he says there's no better messenger than someone who is like you.
In a very, very powerful way, showing the peers that they're not alone. Their friends and their peers are experiencing the same things.
This is why Jed is honoring two young advocates with the Student Voice of Mental Health Award. College Award winner Nora Sun says her friends were there for her when she struggled with her mental health in high school.
That made me realize that peer support can be a life-saving resource.
She founded the Little Talks movement, an online support network which trains teens and young adults to become mental health peer guides.
The goal of our movement is to help youth identify someone that they can reach out to prior to that moment of crisis.
Sun is also the CEO of the nonprofit Mercury.World, which translates mental health resources into 31 different languages.
It's truly gratifying to hear people say that our work helped them express themselves in their native language for the very first time.
High school award recipient Rohan Satija also struggled with his mental health growing up. He immigrated from Auckland, New Zealand to Austin, Texas in 5th grade and says he was bullied due to his accent and cultural differences. He turned to books with stories that featured characters similar to himself.
When they won in their stories, I felt like I could win in my own story.
When he learned about the prevalence of book deserts in Texas, he and his younger sister founded the Let's Learn Foundation.
We've donated over 60,000 books to over 13,000 students from under-resourced schools.
In 2023, Satija founded the Vibrant Voices Project.
I run monologue writing workshops for youth in juvenile detention, helping them convert their mental health struggles into powerful monologues that they can perform for each other.
Both Satija and Sun plan to go into careers where they will continue their advocacy for mental health. Michelle Franzen, ABC News, New York.